back to Destiny's Destinations, where we're on the MSC Meraviglia, and it's day 7 at sea, our last day. We spent the morning at the buffet eating a nice hearty breakfast, and then me and my son went to the spa to get our morning massages. They were absolutely amazing. Definitely recommend going to the spa on board.
Deck 6. Going up.
I loved that elevator, so pretty. I then headed back to my room to say goodbye to my room attendant. I loved him. And this is just an example of how the app did not work very well. It was so funny. We went up to the Sportsplex and we decided that we were going to do some bowling, and we had a blast. Bowling at sea on a cruise ship in the middle of the ocean is definitely an experience I think that everybody should do. And it wasn't too expensive. I bought a pass before we got on board. You bought it before you boarded, it was $80 and they doubled it to $160.
That's the last time you went for
A million years ago. Give him one.
It was the waves.
Yeah.
Yep. Waves. Let's go. There you go. Yay! Bowling was a lot of fun. They then decided that they wanted to try this flight simulator. Watch this thing. I literally don't know how he's doing this. I would be throwing up all in that thing. You can hear my dad in there. He's like, oh, oh.
Really?
Yeah. The men braved it. They did great. We didn't have enough time for Liam to go, and we had to head to dinner, so me and Liam went back after dinner. On the last night of your cruise with MSC, they do an Italian night, which was delicious. I took pictures of everybody's food, the calamari, the tomato and mozzarella, and this Italian antipasto. I don't do meat, but everybody said theirs was great. Seafood linguine, the chicken parmigiano, which that actually looks good, the limoncello cake, and then this wild berry cobbler. All were delicious. And then me and Liam headed back up so that he could do the flight simulator. Thank you. Thank you. Upside down right now. Said goodbye to my favorite bartenders at the Edge Bar and then headed to the Houdini carousel show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, step right up, come closer. You won't believe your eyes. Behind this.
We originally didn't have tickets to this, but we bought them immediately after watching Rock Circus. These guys were performers.
Is it true what they say? Is it all fun and games? Or is there more behind the makeup and the faces full of paint? I want something just like this. In the restless streets I walk alone. Narrow streets of cobblestone.
Yes, these shows are a little cost extra, but I think it's about $12. They are well worth it. Finished up our packing, and then we got some gelato together as a family and headed to the sunshine party, which was a blast and a great way to end our cruise. Loved being with my family. Headed to the buffet for my last night, late night pizza. They have some of the greatest pizza. I don't know if it's the best at sea, but it's some really good pizza. I did do 2 room tours, so those videos will be coming up, so subscribe and like for more. And then I headed to karaoke to watch my daddy sing his heart out.
Homework, remember that? It's something called a bedtime. Yes. Magic Mike is making his way to the stage, everybody. And he's singing Operator. Hello, Mike.
Before I sing this song, I'd like to thank Operator. Fish powers, that's how agent was real. That's not the way it is. I feel Operator. Feel about this call. And the way they sing, let's forget all that.
Job, pa. Fun way to end the night. And then we went to sleep. Woke up in the morning. Everyone looks so happy, don't we? Headed to breakfast in one of the main dining rooms. It's a really good way to eat. Took in all the views. And then we had to head to our area where we were sitting in the auditorium. For some reason, people didn't think they had to do that and just formed this really long line. Ridiculous. And then they're not even paying attention, so they're all just standing there. Happy we're not in that.
I don't know how they keep smiling every day.
Ladies and gentlemen, your cruiser seals begin when I continue and finalize on this embarkation process.
And that's the end of our family cruise. Thanks, MSC. We had a wonderful time. After we got off the ship, we waited for our Yankee Trail shuttle bus and then got on and boarded for home. As always, thanks for watching Destiny's Destinations. Be sure to like and subscribe for more mother and son, cruise, and travel content.